I'm here at Universal today to have the best day ever. Tyler ditched me this weekend to go fishing. And normally when he goes out of town, I just sit at home all sad with the dogs until he gets back, but not this time. I'm here to have fun without him. So when this video goes live on our channel, I rented out a theater at Universal Cinemark so Tyler can watch it premiere on the big screen. The goal today is just to have as much fun as possible. Tyler is fishing in a fishing tournament as we speak, and he's having fun without me, so I'm here to have fun without him. So I'm going to do all of my favorite things at the parks and some of his favorite things. I've even got some friends and family that we're going to meet up with later, so it's going to be a good day.
Nothing they're gonna see when everything's said and done. I'm gonna stay on the ground. There ain't nothing gonna.
Tyler's not the only one that can fish, and I'm guaranteed to win.
Just run. I want us to stand our ground. There ain't nothing gonna bring us down.
This is exactly what I wanted because I really didn't want to have to carry around a giant toy today, although that would have been hilarious. I wish it was one of the magnetic ones that I could like sit on my shoulder. Maybe I can just cross his legs under here and he can chill with me. All right, there we go. We have a rule in our household, and that's that anytime we get like some kind of stuffed animal or something, we have to name it. Tyler's not here with me to like monitor my names because I usually come up with terrible ones and he has to nix them. So his name is Corn Cake, the candy corn. Apparently the stars have aligned today, so I just caught a fish and got corn cake, and right after that Tyler sent me a text and said that he just caught his first fish of the tournament. So that's like, I don't know how it works out like that. That's incredible. So to celebrate, I'm gonna go ride one of his favorite attractions.
I want us to stand our ground.
Tyler, thank you. He's here in spirit. That ride never gets old. I love that they said Tyler's name without him because that always makes him really happy. But I have now worked up an appetite, so time for some food. Grapes. Believe it or not, this is the first time that I've ever had a brisket crepe to myself, because every time that Tyler and I are here, we share everything. So even if like we got two separate crepes, like we'd share them. So I've never had just a brisket crepe by myself, so I'm excited about that. But I'm missing Tyler a little bit, and I had a feeling this might happen. So I had cardboard Tyler made so that he could come with me today. So I did bring him along because I've been really sad. He's been gone for like 2 days now. So I made this yesterday. I had him just like sitting above the fridge, just chilling. I was talking to him all afternoon. I don't know what I should get for dinner. Like I could just eat the chicken tenders in the fridge. I could just eat chips and salsa for dinner, like girl dinner. To Chick-fil-A, which would be delicious. I could go to that kebab place that we found the other day, Ova, which is always delicious. I don't know. What should I get?
Roar, I'm a raptor.
But I figured I would break him out for his favorite crepe while I sit here and eat it in front of him. I'll let him look at me. I'm gonna talk for a minute while this cools off, because when the crepes come off, they have like the heat of the sun radiating from them. So this video might seem like a little bit of a slight towards Tyler, because I'm here like doing all of his favorite things without him. But I promise my motives are good. My intentions are coming from a good place. So Tyler works so hard on our channel. Like he's the editor, he's the videographer, he's the producer. Like of course there's some things that I take care of, but those are like the hardest parts of this job, and he works so hard all of the time. And like the week leading up to this fishing tournament, all that he was talking about was that he felt guilty for going. Like he felt guilty that we weren't gonna have like an extra video out this week because he was gone and all this stuff. So I'm hoping that by me coming here and recording this video by myself and having it like edited and put together and all of this, that it's gonna alleviate some of that guilt, and like, you know, maybe even give him a couple extra days where he gets to just like hang out with the dogs once he gets back, and he doesn't feel so like rushed to just jump back into work, because he deserves that. Like he works so hard, and if there's anybody in the world that deserves it, it's Tyler. I don't know why they always run out of forks at the crepe stand. It's like they find humor in just making people like shove their faces in this like messy, delicious crepe. You want some? I love how I was so excited to like eat this crepe by myself, and I haven't even eaten half of it, and I'm full. Oh my god, it's Beetlejuice. I gotta go say hi.
How you doing?
So I'm here without my husband today. He went fishing without me
Wait, where do you go fishing at?
in Alabama.
Alabama?
Yeah.
That's a long way to go fishing.
Yeah, so he went fishing without me. So I'm here at the parks doing all
fishing?
of his favorite things without me.
Are you fishing for a new husband?
I mean, maybe.
Yeah? Okay, well maybe we could do some negotiating, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, I'm open to it.
Here we go. What? You're open?
I'm
an
open to
open
it.
book, baby. You know what I'm saying? Hi, I'm Mr. Steal Yo Girl. Never forget that, okay?
Tyler better watch out. Beetlejuice is coming in hot. What's that, Tyler? Are you sure? Okay, I mean, if you insist. Cardboard Tyler insisted. That's the dumbest thing I have ever done. I also have a lot more respect for Tyler wearing this in the heat. Like, I was in the air conditioning and it was still miserable. I feel like I've already had so much fun today. Like, Tyler's gonna be so jealous that he wasn't here to enjoy this with me. But what I'm headed to do next is gonna absolutely kill him that he's not here for. I'm right back. No, I'm not. Y'all know I had to come over here and get a frozen butterbeer because it's Tyler's favorite. Cardboard Tyler is very jealous that he can't drink it, but I couldn't just do it alone. Cheers!
Sorry you're not here, Tyler. I know you would have loved a cold butterbeer right now.
Tyler, I hope fishing was worth missing your family and this butterbeer.
That butterbeer was great. Thank you to everybody that came out and got a butterbeer with me to kind of rub it in Tyler's face. But obviously, at some point, Tyler's gonna find out that like I've shot this video without him, right? Like when it goes live on our channel, he's gonna see it. But I don't just want him to like see it on our channel. Like I want the reveal to be something special. So I rented out a theater at Universal Cinemark, which is the movie theater in City Walk. Yeah, you can actually like just rent out an entire theater for like an hour. And so the day that this video goes live on our channel, like the exact moment it goes live, Tyler's gonna watch it premiere on the big screen. So I'm gonna get him there like under the guise that we're just watching a movie. And then when he walks in, it's hopefully gonna be like a bunch of our friends in there. And the movie that plays is gonna be this video that we're creating right now. It is so hot today. Like we have a cold front coming. So like tomorrow the high is only supposed to be 80, which is a cold front for Orlando. But Tyler texted me this morning and said that it was 45 degrees when they were like getting in the boat to like launch off to start their tournament or however you do that. And I think he wanted me to feel bad for him, but I'm really just jealous and I'm tired of sweating. This isn't one of Tyler's favorite rides. I wish I could say that like secretly he loves the carousel, but I love the carousel, so I'm gonna ride it. Cardboard Tyler loved it. I love the carousel. It always puts a smile on my face and makes me feel like a kid again. But I did hear from Tyler when I was in line for it, and he said that they have caught one fish so far, but apparently it's been a tough day and not a lot of people that they've talked to have even caught a single fish. So he feels like if they could get one more, they might have a chance to win the tournament. And I think I know a way that I might be able to help him do this.
Welcome, Barbie girls in the Barbie world. Welcome to the Mystic Mountain. We're all dressed up for Halloween. How festive.
Yeah.
You going to Horror Nights tonight, or?
I'm not, but it's spooky season.
That's right. It's not just Horror Nights, it's spooky season.
Well, I came here because I had a wish that I wanted to do.
What's your wish?
I'm here without my husband today, so he ditched me this weekend. He's fishing at a fishing tournament. And so I was going to come and wish that he catches a bunch of fish so he wins the fishing.
Ah, you wish your husband have a successful fishing trip?
Yes.
All right, your wish is my command. May her husband have a successful fishing trip. May they be eating flounder until the end of the year.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That turned out better than I could have expected. So a lot of the time when you come up to the fountain, like he's asleep, he won't like talk to you, you can hear him snoring, but he was here, he was awake. So my plan was just to like wish with a coin and like, you know, sacrifice it to the fountain, but he was here, so I got to make my wish to him. He heard my wish and he said that it was granted. So fingers crossed that works and Tyler wins his fishing tournament. I mean, I feel like he has to at this point. The fountain said his wish was granted. Today has been so much fun. Like, I've had an insanely amount of fun without Tyler. I kind of feel bad saying that, and like, I wish that he was here. Like, it would have been more fun if he was here with me. But I don't know, like I'm excited for him to see the video, but I'm also really nervous because like his stuff is always like really good quality and all that. So I don't know, I hope this lives up to his like standards and expectations. But there's one more thing that I never get to do with Tyler that I want to do before I leave here today. I like spinning. I don't know how fast it looked like I was going, but it felt like I was flying. Oh my gosh, that is the best ride I've had on Storm Force in so long. I usually have a hard time when I'm by myself, like getting the thing to turn, but that thing was spinning like crazy. It was amazing, and that is the perfect way to end today's video. Make sure you guys keep an eye out for the video where I surprise Tyler with this one. But in the meantime, if you guys want to see us put Carolina Reaper hot sauce on some of our favorite things here in Islands of Adventure, you can check out this video right here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!